Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mithal. In this video, you will learn how to render templates in Python using Flask module. Let's start our today's video. At first, to open Python, we need to create a new file, Python file. We'll name the file web site website f is Flask. So we need to import two things from Flask module. From Flask, import Flask, but the first letter will be capital F-O-S-K, and render template. Done. And app equals to Flask, then underscore name. Done. At the app dot route. Routing must be written in the app. Slash. Now we need to write a function div main. Now we need to return the render template. Return render template. Here we'll name the HTML file index.html. Index.html. Done. Now if name equals to underscore main underscore then app.run. So the app will be running, and we need to enable debugging. So debug equal to true. Debug equal to true. But now copy the URL and we are going to paste it in the Chrome browser. Ctrl V paste. Look, a error is showing that template not found. So now we need to create the index.html file. Let's create this HTML file. New HTML. We'll name index, index, index. Let's write something. demo demo, and we'll write here h1 hello. Then we're going to write another tag h2 how are you. Now we're going to copy a simple text from the browser. Let's search for anything. Wikipedia. I don't know what is it, but copy it. Ctrl C, and we're going to give here a hr tag, hr. Then we will write this simple plain text. It will be Let's save it. Ctrl S. So now the index.html file is here. First let's check it again. Let's reload the page. Template not found, it's showing. So we need to create here a directory. New project, new directory. The name of the directory must be templates. Templates. Done. Let's go to proc and index.html. Let's cut it, and we are going to paste it inside the folder templates. Ctrl V. Done. So now open the index.html file. Ctrl S. Let's reload the page. Look, it's showing. How are you? And we copy this text from Wikipedia and it's also showing. And if we make change in the file, it will also be changed in the web page. Let's change it. We're using here p tag, p. Then we'll write here h. Ctrl S, and let's reload our page. Look, h is added here. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.